What is historical perspective and bias for homeschoolers? Understanding historical perspective and bias is crucial for homeschoolers as they navigate the vast landscape of information available today. Historical perspective refers to the way individuals interpret past events based on their own experiences, cultural backgrounds, and societal influences. This perspective shapes how history is taught and understood, making it essential for students to recognize that history is not merely a collection of dates and facts, but a narrative influenced by various viewpoints. For homeschoolers, this means engaging with multiple sources of information and considering the context in which historical events occurred. It is important to explore different interpretations of the same event to gain a well-rounded understanding. For example, studying the American Civil War from both the perspective of the Union and the Confederacy allows students to appreciate the complexity of the conflict and the differing motivations behind it. Bias, on the other hand, refers to the inclination or prejudice for or against a particular perspective. In historical contexts, bias can manifest in the way events are recorded, the voices that are amplified, and the narratives that are constructed. For homeschoolers, recognizing bias is vital in developing critical thinking skills. It encourages students to question the reliability of their sources and to seek out diverse viewpoints. When approaching historical texts or resources, homeschoolers should ask themselves who authored the material and what their motivations might be. Are they presenting a balanced view, or are they favoring one side? This critical examination helps students understand that history is often written by those in power, which can lead to the marginalization of other voices and experiences. Incorporating discussions about historical perspective and bias into homeschooling curricula can foster a deeper appreciation for history. It encourages students to become active participants in their learning, prompting them to analyze and synthesize information rather than passively accepting it. By doing so, homeschoolers can cultivate a more nuanced understanding of history, preparing them to engage thoughtfully with the world around them.